Set her up. Get your reversal. Get your points, Kaelynn, no points.
Get your points.
Get your points. No points yet. Get your points.
Okay, there you go. There you go.
Shuttle, 4 seconds.
KK, out of her legs.
There you go. Run it.
Run that.
Run it.
There you go.
Got a girl.
Run it.
55 seconds.
There you go.
Work for it.
There you go. That's it. That's it.
Go heavy on her.
That's it, bro.
Got a girl.